In this section, I'm going to show you how to get the address of the I2C device, and that in this case is our LCD. Right, so we've got our LCD, we've got our I2C board on the back soldered, and we've got the 4 wires. So I'm going to do the coupling, and then I'll quickly show you how to get the specific address for this LCD. Because if we work on the I2C bus, then we need to address a specific component in our system. So we're going to do that. Let's have a quick look at the build, and then we'll get to the software. So our LCD has got only 4 wires that's of interest for us. This little variable resistor, you can set the contrast on the screen, and then if you remove this pin, then there won't be a backlight. The backlight we can also switch on and off in the software. So let's do our coupling quickly. And you will see there's a ground and a VCC. Let's couple them first. So the blue wire here is on the ground and the orange on the VCC. So the ground I will just take to any ground on my Arduino, and the VCC I will take to 5 volt. So that's coupled. And now we've got 2 lines open still. We've got our data line and our clock line. Now our data line is going to A4, and our clock line is going to A5 on the Arduino. Just push it in there, and there we finished with our coupling of our LCD display. Just move it so that it's better, like that. And I'm now going to plug in my PC. Right, so now in order for us to determine the specific address of that LCD to use in our main code, we're going to run this little scan program. I haven't written this program, there's no need for it. You find this specific program all over on the internet. And also it states here that the original author is not known. So I'm just stating that. So what you do is we will now take this little piece of code just as it is, and we'll upload it to our Arduino board. So first thing that we always check is our board is a Uno and our port is correct in this case. So I can immediately then compile. I can see it's done compiling, no error there, and I can upload it to the board. You can see it's uploading, done upload. Immediately I'll open my serial monitor, and here on the serial monitor immediately you can see the device is found, and there's the address that we need, 0x3f. And that address we will now use in our main code in order to address that specific LCD. I hope you enjoyed this short session on scanning a I2C device address.